It's springtime. Well, depending on when you watch this, it's springtime. A season of new beginnings when life begins to sprout and grow. In my front yard, dozens of tiny sprouts have pushed their way through the earth. At first glance, they seem harmless, even beautiful, but left unchecked, they will overtake the yard. Left unchecked, they will grow into a tangled, overwhelming forest blocking the sunlight. And it's the same in our lives. We all have things that have quietly rooted themselves in the soil of our hearts. Feelings of unworthiness, the old wounds of family trauma, helplessness, overwhelming stress, heavy clouds of depression, the whisper that it's too late to live, too late to dream, too late for happiness, too late to be the woman you want to be. But these are not truths. This is not your truth. They are weeds that have sprouted up during a season of your life that was meant for beauty, rest, and fulfilled dreams. I can't just take a lawnmower and cut these sprouts. I have to do the work. Get on my knees, get my hands dirty, and pull them out from the root. It's similar to the work of healing and emotional spring cleaning. By the root means we don't just say, I'm fine, when we're not. By the root means we face the hard memories and learn from them. We grieve what we lost. We forgive where we can for our own sake. We release what we were never meant to carry. It means asking, where did this feeling start? When did I start believing I wasn't enough? Who told me my dreams had an expiration date? Who made me believe survival was the best I could hope for? Who said I had to carry all of my family's trauma? This work is the messy work worth doing. The truth is, you were made for more. You were made to thrive, not just survive. Choosing to thrive can sometimes look like kneeling down into the soil of your own soul and gently, patiently pulling out what doesn't belong. This is your season to clear the ground. This is your season to make space for yourself. Space for new dreams. Space for new beginnings. Space for the woman you are becoming. So be gentle with yourself, be patient, and know every weed you pull, every lie you root out, every burden you lay down is sacred work.